Okay guys, so what's happening today in the forex market? It's a pleasure to have you here. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time that you're watching this video. The market has been a bit numb. The market has been a bit on the back burner for a while, especially for EURUSD, as we follow that a lot. The EURUSD has been stuck at the 1.13700 marker. As you can see over here, has been struggling to break out of this area. It broke out, and then we can see it kept on coming back in, but only to push back, and it has been hugging the 1.1370 marker for now, right? And we had a little buy position here, expecting a breakout, and if it breaks out, take profit should be here, which is about 15 pips stop loss for about 120 pips take profit, which is definitely worth the trade. Yes, it is. It's definitely worth the trade. That is about 1 to 8 reward, 1 risk to 8 reward, right? And then also looking at gold, this is what we have on gold. You can see gold has been pushing higher, as we mentioned. It broke out of this 1874 marker here after breaking out. That was especially after we had two fake outs, right? If you remember, we had a fake out here to the upside and then another fake out to the downside. And then as it was approaching, of course, I wasn't going to expect another fake out here. But then look at what we had. We had a nice big solid breakout with this big bullish candle, and then it pushed higher, right? Now, obviously, expecting the market to come back to this area here for a retest. And today is Friday, by the way. So, of course, we normally have profit-taking day. I can see people have already started taking profits over here. I would have loved something a bit slower to try and look for a CT trade, to try and look for a counter trade to bring it down. But it has already started the down move just before London. And, of course, this was while I was asleep. So gold is far gone. There's no need trying to chase the market, and that's something that a lot of traders normally do, which isn't good at all. Try your best not to chase the market. Never ever chase the market. The economic calendar for today is pretty light on data. Nothing high impact, nothing to create some sort of volatility, at least from the schedule perspective. But that doesn't mean that you should sleep on price. Never ever sleep on price. Always ensure to use proper stop loss, and of course calculate your risk management appropriately based on your account balance. We've been talking about the geopolitical tensions for a while now with respect to Russia and Ukraine, and report has it, earlier we said that it seems Russia pulled out some troops, but on the contrary, report has it that they actually added about 7,000 more troops. They added about 7,000 more troops to the Ukrainian border. This is a big cause for concern for the US and also for NATO, since Russia the main business. Let's see how things go. Hopefully they can de-escalate the tension fast. You can come up with some agreements and all, right? This is just a quick one just to give you an update. The week basically hasn't been all that. We've had a lot of dull movements in the market. It hasn't been as clean as we would have loved them to be. But at the same time, we've had some, some movement, but it should have been based on scalping. It's only scalpers that would have enjoyed this week. But then based on that, don't try to be a hero. This is Friday. Don't try to look for last minute opportunities and then place a wrong trade, right? If you don't have any trade opportunity this week, or in any week, it's always a good sign that you are getting to become a better trader. You're becoming more matured as a trader. So ensure you don't mess up your week, right? Because indeed being a pleasure, continue to pay attention to the market. If you have any question whatsoever, comment below and then we'll see what we can do for you. Enjoy the rest of the day, enjoy your weekend, and get some much needed rest. Thank you guys. I enjoy the rest of the day, and goodbye for now. God bless.